A dedicated customer does not share the hardware with any other customers.
It's like having your own server right at home. Nobody else gets to play with your machine.
So with other providers, you might sign up and you get a notification maybe half an hour or a couple hours later that says your machine's ready. With us, you can actually start using it right away.
We actually install a hypervisor on any one of our dedicated machines, and that's actually what our customers are getting.
In traditional environments that use a hypervisor, part of the memory that you're purchasing is actually used by your hypervisor, whereas in our environment we add additional memory that's not allocated to customers to run the hypervisor environment, so you're not losing out on anything that you pay for.
One of the things that we allow you to do is to actually manage your box. We give you the console, there's interfaces to start, stop, shut down, whatever you'd like to do.
While we give you dedicated hardware, you do not have to worry about maintaining that hardware. When problems happen, when things fail, it happens under the hood, you don't see it, we take care of it. You just keep running.